In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a real estate workflow in Monday.com using ready-made templates. First, open your Monday.com account and head to your main home area. From here, we're going to start by creating a new board from a template. Look for the option that opens the creation panel, then choose Start with Template. This is the easiest way to get a fully structured real estate workspace without building everything from scratch. Once the Template Center opens, find and select the real estate category. This groups together all the real estate-specific solutions. Inside that category, click into the featured real estate template that's highlighted, then choose Use Template. Monday.com will now create several connected boards for you, including listings, properties, leads, and agent tasks, all tailored to real estate work. When the template finishes loading, you'll land on your properties or listings board. Click into one of the example properties, like a sample address. This opens the item details and shows you how information is organized: status, owner, activity, and more. Try another example property to see how different listings are tracked the same way. This gives you a feel for how your own properties will look. Next, click into the account or client field on one of these listings to see how contacts are linked. You'll notice every property can be tied back to a work account or contact, keeping owners and buyers connected to each listing. Now explore the different groups on the properties board, such as active listings, sold properties, and other categories. Click into a few sample items, like a sold listing or a specific city property, to understand how stages are separated visually. This makes it easy to track where each property is in the pipeline. At the top of the board, switch between views. Open the map view to see your properties plotted geographically, then move to a high-level view to get a summary by status or listing time. You can also switch to a view focused on listing times and days on market, which helps you quickly analyze performance. From there, navigate to the Connected Leads board. Click into several sample leads to see how potential buyers and sellers are tracked, and notice how they relate back to your properties. Finally, open the Agent Task Management board. Here you'll see tasks like conducting market analyses, ordering marketing materials, building remarketing campaigns, managing negotiations, arranging appraisals, and setting up payments. Click through these sample tasks to understand how your team's work can be structured, assigned, and tracked from start to finish.